Hello guys. Today we will calculate the number of years and months between two dates. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to write two here. Anyway, in today's lecture we are calculating the number of years and months between two dates. Sometimes we need it, of course, and it take a lot of time calculating the number of years and months between the two dates for different employees or the list of employees are your customers, and specifically when you have a lot of employees or large number of your customers, in that case it needs a lot of time to calculate the years and months between their birthday and the current year. That's why we have a simple and very easy formula for this purpose to save your time and make your life easy. So how we are going to do it? Just come here. Okay, let me explain you the data. These are the starting dates. Okay, the 1st January 1974, and the end date is 5th March 2020. Okay, so these are the starting dates here, and here we have the ending dates, and we are interested in calculating the number of years and months between these two dates. Okay, so just press the equal sign here, okay, and type dated if. Okay, guys, wait, I think I have to write it in the caps lock. Okay, so dated if and start the parenthesis here. Okay, now we have to specify the start date, and after this we have to type comma, the end date, and again comma. Okay, and one space, let me give it one space. Okay, and inverted comma, and then y, again inverted comma, and close the parenthesis. Okay, now just give a space and type the symbol of and. Okay, and again inverted comma, and type years. Okay, and let me do it. No, it's not like this. So years. Okay, and comma, after the comma space and inverted comma again, and the symbol of and. Okay, now space and type again dated if and start the parenthesis. Okay, for the months, this thing we have typed so far is for the years. Now we have to type the same thing for the months as well. Okay, so dated if, again the, oh sorry guys, the A4 comma, uh, which one is this, is B4. Okay, and again comma, uh, inverted comma, and ym. Okay, and again inverted comma, and close the parenthesis here. Now space and in, again inverted comma, and months. Okay, and now we just have to press enter. Okay, I think there is something wrong, is the typo mistake. Okay, because I haven't given some spaces here, so it will automatically fix the problem. You see, now we have it here. Okay, the years and months from the January 1st to the January 1st 1974 to the 5th January 2020 is 46 year and 2 months. Okay, now if we want to calculate the same years and months for the remaining data, you just click here and double click the bottom right corner of this. Okay, you see this here, we have some error because we don't have the end dates here. That's why it is showing this error. Okay, so I'm just going to delete it, and when we have the ending dates here, again we will have. So why we have something here again, sorry guys. Oh yes, because you see here we have some error, and the error is just because of this value, because this is not the 2019 but it is something else. So if I just remove 10 from here and enter, you see now we have the very accurate result of this data as well. Okay guys, so it is a simple formula, And if you want me to show you, you see, you can see it here, and let me show it somewhere here, okay, so that you can use it for your later uses. So formula text, okay, and now I have to click this one and press enter, okay. Wait, now I think you can see it here, dated. If you wait, I will just show it to you so that it becomes easy for you. Wait, yes, now you can see it very well, okay. So this is the entire formula, you can use it, okay, and it will help you, I think, and I hope you understood it and you learn it, okay guys. So thank you, and if you like our video, please like and share with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos, okay guys. Thank you. Bye bye.